Yo, what's up guys? This morning I'm out at Lake Norman. I'm launching from Ramsey Creek. If you guys are wondering about the boat ramp, it is now open. I know they've been working on this boat ramp for quite some time, but it is open now. There's really no objective for today. I'm just gonna enjoy my day off. It's a bonus, I'll catch some fish, so stay tuned and hopefully we don't skunk. All right, I am gonna start off right here by the boat ramp. Work this little grass area. Work my way around to the beach area. See if I get top water bite. Whoa, that's a big one. Oh, stay on, baby. Stay on. Oh. Come back up it. No, no, no. Yes. Yes. Largemouth in the grass. Whew. Man, I had a couple miss blow-ups. This guy was in the grass. Whew. Boy, that was fun. I knew there had been something in this grass. All right, buddy. Whew. Hey, he got hurt really good. All right. All right. Look at this guy. It's probably a good 3-pounder. That was awesome, buddy. Thank you so much for eating that. I was struggling for the past hour or so. Thank you so much. All right, buddy. I will see you later, bud. All right. Hoping this rain would die down a little bit. I forgot to bring my rain gear. It's coming harder. I'm about to get soaking wet today. Dude was in the docks. As soon as I popped it, he came out and ate it. All right. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for eating that. That was so cool. All right. Oh, shoot. Okay. All right. All right. Oh, he's alive now. Sheesh. Relax, dude. You wasn't even moving earlier. Since I took it off, he woke up. Thank you, sir. A little 2-pounder right by the dock. Dude, right at that corner. Popped it once, and he came up and ate it. Thank you, bud. This little guy took it on the drop. Get back over here, little dude. Dang, he fighting so hard. Man, this water's so clear. Come back here, buddy. All right. All right. Little spot. Thank you, sir. You're a thick guy. He's stuck on something. Oh, get back up here. I don't think I've ever struggled this bad on Lake Norman before. Gosh, I have been struggling, guys. Goodness. Thought this was a big boy. He got stuck on one of the poles over there. Oh my goodness, guys. Just straight up struggling. It's a fat little dude. All right, buddy. Thank you so much for eating that. Come on, man. All right, guys, that is gonna be it for me today. I definitely struggled. It poured on me this morning, but I was able to get a decent top water bite. After that, the sun came up, and then it was a little bit harder to find them. I couldn't get anything up shallow. I couldn't find anything deep. I started pitching some docks. I was able to get a few bites. I missed a couple, but I land, I want to say one in the docks. Like I said, guys, it was definitely a struggle today, but I'm just glad I was able to come out here and do a little fishing. But yeah, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for the next one. We'll see you guys.